you name two identities, and Arhan and Arham, both of you mentioned two identities, at least two identities, both of you.
Sir,
Starting
can I
from
go
Arhan.
first?
Okay,
Sir, so a square plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and
okay,
a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
okay. Next, you, Arham.
So a square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square.
A square minus 2b plus b square. So that is the identity for which one?
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square. No, that is wrong. Again,
So
will
a
you please
minus b
repeat?
whole square.
That is the identity a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Right now. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. ठीक है, कभी कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई करके देख सकते हैं.
Yes,
Right
sir.
now it will lead you back to a square minus b square.
Excuse me,
Right?
sir.
Yeah, Arhan.
So the options for the question number 17 of the test paper, there was no minus 8 and minus 3. It was only minus 8 and 3.
It is only minus 8 and 3.
Yes, sir.
Minus 8 and 3. Okay, let me have a look at minus 8 and 3. So you have written none of these. Okay, and the options which I told you. Yeah, wait a minute, where's the PDF? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, minus 8 and minus 3 I'm saying. And in the question, only options were given as minus 8 and 3 for k. The value of k and x are
Yes, sir.
minus 8 and 3. Okay, okay. I will check that. Okay, now then I will be sending the correct answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, let's continue this. I will be checking that. So exponents and powers, why others have still not joined? No way of Moaz and Ahmed. Anyways, let's continue, guys. Okay. So starting from you guys, what were the things we studied in this chapter while we were doing
But there
exponents
was
and
one
powers?
more property, identity.
There was one more property. And that was
X plus a and
into
x plus b equals
hmm,
to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Yes, sir.
exactly. That was also one of the identity. Exactly. Right. So they were in total 4 identities. In general book में हमें 3 देखने को मिलते हैं, कहीं कहीं पर हमें 4 identities देखने को मिलते हैं. So remember the fourth one as well, right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about the exponent, right? So exponents basically हमने क्या पढ़ा था chapter में? Anyone remember? Yes.
So
What do you
exponents
understand
are
by exponents? Yeah.
degrees that are used to express large numbers.
Right. In a short and concise format, it's a method by which you can represent large numbers in a very short and concise form, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is simply exponents, right? Okay, now. And what are the different terminologies associated with the exponents? Basically, powers and exponents में जो terminologies हैं, what do they represent?
So,
Yes.
so
You have,
can you repeat?
yes, look at this thing here. First you say this.
So can you repeat what you just said?
My question was that what are the terminologies associated with the exponents and powers? Basically, exponents and powers ये जो terminologies हैं, what do they mean? For example, 10 raised to the exponent 5. So इसमें क्या क्या terminologies होते हैं हमारे पास? What do you call this 10? What do you call this 5 as?
The base and power.
Base and power, namely, right?
Yes, sir.
Base and power. Okay, now. What were the different rules which we studied in the chapter exponents and powers? You guys remember? There were
Yes,
different laws of exponents.
yes, sir.
Hmm. So name some of the laws, starting from Arham.
Sir, when you are multiplying two exponents, we can of the same base, we can add the
Hmm.
exponents.
Exactly.
Sir,
Am into an. That is, yeah. Arhan, yes.
sir, x to the power 0 equals to 1.
Exactly. Like any integer raised to the power 0 will be basically equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Good. What if you were to have negative powers, guys? X raised to the exponent minus 1.
Sir,
Yeah,
1 upon x.
that
Yes,
will
sir.
be
Full upon
1
x.
upon x. Very good. Getting it now. Also say that you have got uh, two powers with like this. You have got two powers which are in division with each other. ये पूरे इस पूरे फॉर्मेट को हम पावर्स भी कहते हैं. Getting it
Yes,
now.
Yes, sir.
This whole number in this format is also called as power, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so don't
Yes,
get
sir.
confused. Many times we say that 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, so basically we are referring to exponent here. 10 raised to the power 9. Basically 9 here is the exponent actually. पूरे
Yes,
Yes,
term
sir.
sir.
को हम mathematically एक power कहते हैं. Getting it now.
Yes, sir.
So anyways, let's to take some questions. No, I was talking about this. Say you have got x raised to the power m divided x raised to the power n. That will become
Sir, x m minus n.
exactly x raised to the exponent m minus n. Getting it now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Or x upon y raised to the exponent n. How can how else I can write this? Is
Sir,
there any other way?
x to the power n and y to the power n.
Exactly. X raised to the exponent n upon y raised to the exponent n. Like that you can also write. Getting it now?
Yes,
So
sir.
these were
Yes,
the
sir.
general things we have studied in the chapter, right? So let's sum up those things. We did, if you guys remember, we did talked about these things in the class. If you guys remember, where I
Yes, sir.
told you like the diameter of the Earth, mass of the Earth. Right now, diameter can be
Yes, sir.
represented easily. Talking about the mass of gigantic planets like the Earth or the Uranus, right? It would be difficult to write this much bigger figure right now. So thereby you would be representing it in a standard format by the use of exponents right now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any idea how should I represent this one? If you guys can recall, well, आपको पता होगा standard format में हम किस तरह से लिखते हैं. Yeah, anyone who recalls how
Oh,
to
yes, sir.
write bigger, larger numbers in a standard format?
So, for example, here in Mars, it is written, yeah, we can write it 5,970 multiplied by 10 raised to
This
the
is,
power.
by the way, this is Earth and this is Mars, M-A-S-S. Okay.
Oh, Mars. Oh.
Mhm.
So, 5,970 multiplied by 10 raised to the power, how many zeros are there?
Sir, 22.
Okay. So you basically take the first digit, okay, now, and after the first digit, you will place a decimal, okay,
Yes, sir.
and after
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
decimal count how many digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24, right?
yes, sir.
So what I would do, I would write 5.97 into 10 raised to the power
24.
24, right now. So this is how
Yes,
we
sir.
used to write the numbers in the standard format.
Sir, is it necessary to add a decimal point?
It is necessary to add a decimal point. You because the standard format says so that you basically take the first digit and after that you place a decimal and then count how many digits are there. Right now,
Yes,
you
sir.
can't like write it like this 597 into 10 raised to the power 27 like that. You need to place a decimal after 5. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is the thing. So क्वेश्चन अगर पूछा जाए कि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट से क्या मतलब है. So स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट तब हम कहते हैं कि नंबर को when it is expressed as the product of a number between 1 and 10 and the integral power is 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is the thing. See this, I am representing it in the format of this number is lying between 1 and 10 now. ये जो
Yes,
हमारा
sir.
नंबर है, it should lie between 1 and 10. ये उससे ज्यादा exceed नहीं होना चाहिए. So that answers your question, Arhan, that why we need to place a decimal after 5, because this number, the first number, has to be in between 1 and 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Moaz, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? By the way, Moaz, did you share your answer sheet to me or to the counselor? The last test we had in the class? Yeah, Moaz, I'm saying in the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities, you guys had a small test of 22 questions. So did you send your paper or not?
Sir, I wrote, but I forgot to send.
Look, always keep this in mind. It is mandatory. Whenever you guys are having tests, you are required to send your test papers while the class is still going on, not after the class. Okay.
Okay, sir, I send.
Oh, okay. Make sure you send it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you also will be getting to revise this same chapter for which you had the extra class. Okay, Moss. So we are doing the same chapter. So powers with negative exponents, all of you would be able to revise this one also. Power is in this format: a raised to the exponent minus b. That will be a upon a raised to the power b. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Like this. Okay, quickly get done with the revision part. Thereby, I will be moving ahead, and then we'll be discussing questions. Okay now.
Yes,
So
sir.
quickly हम laws of exponents revise करते हैं वापस से. Here you have the same base, so thereby the exponent will be added right now. And here you have got the same base again, but they are in division. So hence exponents are subtracted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here you look, yeah, this whole power is again having one more exponent over it. So thereby
And
the exponents will be getting multiplied,
yes, sir.
right? And you have the base x, any number could be in place of x, any integer basically, right now. And इसकी exponent अगर 0 है, so it will be equated to 1. Same this one also, look here right now. For example, this one 7 raised to the exponent 3 upon 5 raised to the exponent 3 means 7 upon 5 raised to the exponent 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look out for this one also. This one is very important. Mark this one.
Sir,
So
multiplicative inverse.
this is exactly, this is the multiplicative inverse. Very good. So see here you have the numerator and denominator as follows: x upon y. Okay, Moaz, Arhan, Arham. And the exponent is a positive one. It's a positive exponent. Sorry, positive exponent here.
Yes, sir.
So now, in order to reverse the order of numerator and denominator, see the sign of the exponent has become negative, right?
Yes, sir.
यानी कि हमारे पास 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 है, so it would become 2 upon 1, but the exponent will become negative. Getting it now?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the thing. Okay, so hope it is clear. Also, you guys would be able to recall these ones as well. Yes, Moz, what did I told you? Like, this is the same thing as this one, right now. These three are important here. Look, this thing moments ago we just discussed this one. Okay, अभी थोड़े पहले हमने discuss किया. Say you have got base as 1 right now. So 1 के ऊपर हमने कोई भी exponent लिया है right now. So that will be equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the conditions are as follows. For example, let's say here if I were to say in any integer, हमने कोई भी integer अगर place किया यहाँ पर, so integer could be negative also, no?
Yes, sir.
And integer could be positive value as well, right? So if you were to take a negative integer in place of n here, it will be,
Minus 1. Minus 1.
look here, यहाँ पर integer हमने क्यों कहा है? Integer, you know, it's a collection of positive and
And negative.
negatives of whole numbers, right? So even if you were to take the value of integer as -1 यहाँ पर, ये 1 upon 1 होगा ना simply. So you still get 1 as back. वापस से हमें 1 ही मिल रहा है ना, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have the base as 1. raised to the exponent n, and n could be any integer, still you will be getting 1. Now take -1 as the base, right? So -1 अगर आपने base लिया है तो आपको resultant 1 तभी मिलेगा when you have put the exponent as a even number, right? ना क्योंकि -1 into -1 will be giving 1, right?
Yes,
Moz, अरहम, अरहान,
negative
while अगर
negative plus.
exactly अगर हमने 3 place किया होता, for example here अगर हमने odd exponent लिया है, so there by you will be getting -1 as the resultant value. Okay, so hope everyone is clear with this one.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Moz, you have just sent it right now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, everyone is required to join class at the given time. Okay, because if you join late, you will be missing the important things in the class. Now, these are very general things. Okay, this is basically to visualize the exponents, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, all of you would be able to remember this thing also. Like हमारे पास कोई भी decimal values given है, you can expand it like this. Okay, give me a minute. Let me add few slides here. All of you are required to do this one. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
everyone is required to do this one. You have to expand the given decimal number in the form of exponents.
So we have
Okay.
to send the answer in the chat box.
वहाँ पे क्या होता है ना कि like not everyone gets the option to write the exponent value in the keyboard में वो नहीं मिलता है, तो थोड़ी difficulty होती है. So if you have your phones with you, you can just send it quickly in the group, the
Yes, sir.
WhatsApp group. You can send it there quickly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But make sure you don't copy each other's answer. Okay. So the question is as follows. Write in exponential form. The number is 138.563. Okay, that is the question. Yeah, Arham was why you guys have turned your cameras on in the class. Turned your camera off in the class. Turn it on.
Sir, can you solve one? I forgot how to do it.
Okay, look here. Remember how we used to expand the numbers? Like 1300 and 13526, let's say. So we used to write it like this. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and so on. Yeah. So this
Oh,
could be written as what?
10 is the power 4.
4 now.
Yes, sir.
Right? Or this could be written as 3 into 10
3
to
is the
the power
power.
3. Right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose there's a decimal like 0.5 or 0.65. So sixth here is standing at the which position?
Ones place.
Not ones place.
So minus ones place.
Yeah, minus
What?
1.
-1's place. You guys forgot it's at the 10th place.
Oh,
Point
yes,
five
yes,
क्या है?
yes,
5 upon 10 है ना? So it's 5
yes, sir.
tenths. 5 tenths. TENTHs.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So like this you have to do. Yeah,
Sir,
try to
how will
solve
we
it as
write
quickly as
after?
possible.
How will
Yeah.
we write after the decimal?
After decimal, look, अगर हमारे पास value given है, for example, 0.893. Yeah. So I can write it like this: 8. Okay. For this, you can write it like this: plus 0.09 plus
0.003.
0.003. So
Okay,
like
sir.
this, you can write it.
So
Okay.
9 into 10 raised to the power minus 2.
Again, repeat.
So 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 2.
That is just for 10, 9 now. 8 के लिए क्या होगा? For 8, it will be 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 1.
Minus 1. Yes, sir.
And for 3, it will be 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay. After this question, we will be solving another question. Mm, you will have to write it in the standard form. Write in the standard form. The number will be 0.0016. Okay. This is the question.
Sir, I've sent the answer in the group.
You have sent it in the group. Okay.
So the first one.
Okay, I will be checking that. Let me write this question. -2, and then let's take it to be 3. That's 3.
So should I send the answers to this second and third question also?
Exactly. Once you have solved the first one, move on to solve the next questions. Yeah, so it is look, your answer is not incomplete, Arhan. You know why? Decimal से पहले जो value है, the values that are before the decimal, you have not written them in the exponential form.
Sir, I've written 100 plus 30 plus 8.
So you have to write 100 also in the exponential form, 30 also in the exponential form now.
Sorry,
Even
sir.
even 8 has to be written in the exponential form.
Sorry, sir.
No issue.
So should I resend the answer?
No, I understood it. Solve the next question. Okay, now. The answer to the second one, Arhan, that is wrong. Okay, the second answer which you have sent to me, that is incorrect.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Arham, having any difficulty?
No, sir. I'm just sending. I'm just sending a photo.
Okay. Also, you guys have noted down formulas of all the chapters we have discussed so far or not?
Yes, sir.
Because if you haven't, you would be having difficulty in revising the concepts.
Sir, I've resended the answer.
अभी ये थोड़ा slightly सही है, लेकिन there's still one more thing. Remember in the exponential form, what was the important thing I told you? Where the decimal has to be placed, you need to take the number between 1 and 10 now.
Sir, I did that.
No, is 16 lying between 1 and 10? Is
Sir,
16?
I did in the previous answer. 1.6.
So that was lying, but now it's 16 into 10 raised to the power, whatever you have written here. Okay, 16, and then the integral part you have also written here. See,
Sent.
it has to be lying between 1 and 10 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look here. In first question, one thing everyone has missed here. Look, Arham, I got your answer. That is correct. I would say close to being correct. करेक्ट है, बस आपने एक स्लाइड उसमें मिस कर दिया है. सी.
Then is it 10 raised to the power 2?
हाँ हाँ, एग्जैक्टली 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 2 होगा ना वो. 10 रेज़ टू द पावर
I
3
got
मींस
confused
1000
with
ना.
that.
नहीं नहीं. लुक हियर. 10
So we
रेज़ टू द
can,
पावर 1 मींस 10. 10 रेज़ टू द
yes, sir.
पावर 2 मींस 100. 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 मींस 1000.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना.
And we can write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3.
Exactly, that is what I'm talking about. Okay, so you'd be writing 10 raised to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 1. That is correct. And 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
now. And then 5 will be 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, else everything is correct. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Arhan. Next question, solve that also. Look, the definition of standard um form is this, that the number the number should be expressed in such a manner that it is expressed as the product of the number between 1 and 10, and the integral power of 10 should be there. यानी कि जो मैं लिखता हूँ ना यहाँ पे एक multiplied 10 raised to the power something होगा. So this number here has to lie between 1 and 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is correct. Arham, very good. The answer you have sent, that is correct. Okay.
Sir, I have sent the answer to the third one.
Third one. Uh, did you read the question properly? Look, the question says to express the value, to express this value as a power of a rational number with negative exponents. So you have to express it in that format ना. यानी कि a upon b minus n के format में ये होना चाहिए. Getting it ना? So the answer is not in that format. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, even if you were to write in the value which you have given
It would be
in terms
minus
of
7
rational
to
number,
9.
that is also wrong.
Yes, sir. It would be minus 7 to 9.
नहीं, -79 क्यों होगा? Look, अगर
7
आपने
to
वो
9,
वैल्यू
sir.
-7 to 9 ना.
Yes, sir.
No. Look here. Third one, Arham, you have also solved this one or not?
Just sending. I've sent you.
Okay. Yes, Arham. That is correct. Okay. But आपने exponent गलत लिखा है. The value of the exponent is wrong. Look, I
What's
am
6?
solving the yeah.
It's only 6.
It's going to be 6, right? And as per
Yes,
the requirement of the question, it has to be a negative exponent. So आपको
yes,
digits
sir.
की order reverse करनी पड़ेगी.
2 1 3.
2 upon 3. 2 upon
That
3 raised to the power minus 6.
-2 upon 3 -2 upon 3 होगा. Look,
Yes,
मैं
sir.
solve कर दे रहा हूँ. Let me solve this one actually.
So can you give more questions?
हाँ, sure, I will be giving more questions also. यहाँ पर हमने कौन सा law use करना है? A raised to the power m into n, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now, so you can write it separately as well. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more law will be used here. Second law that will be used here, e raised to the exponent minus m becomes 1 upon e raised to the power m.
Yes,
ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
तो ये दो laws यहाँ पर use होंगे, first and second. So let's solve it. So you will be simply multiplying these two. हम multiply
Yes, sir.
करेंगे यहाँ पर,
6.
right? Or you can write it separately, but simply multiply करते हैं. -3 upon 2 raised to the exponent 6, right? And you notice that you have to write this as negative. So thereby the order of this will be reversed. It will be minus 2 upon 3, no? Minus
Multiplication.
sign हम नीचे नहीं लिखेंगे, ऊपर ही लिखते हैं. It will be minus 6. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
That is the correct answer. And the for second one, Arham, the answer you have sent, that is correct.
Yes,
See,
sir.
ये क्या होगा, पहले हम इसे fractional form में लिखेंगे. 16 upon how many zeros will be there? 4 zeros,
4.
right?
Yes, sir.
So 16 into 10 raised to the power 4, but still it is not in the standard format. So thereby I will place a decimal here, right? So
Yes,
in
sir.
order to do so, I will have to divide it with 10 also.
Yes, sir.
Right now हमें 10 से divide भी करना पड़ेगा. So thereby it will be 16 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3.
Yes, sir.
How we did this many times, student gets confused. ये कैसे हमने किया, ये clear हो रहा है कि नहीं आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good then. Solve some more questions then. Take one more question. Take this question. 2 raised to the power exponent 5 divided 2 raised to the exponent 8. Okay. Multiplied 2 raised to the exponent minus 7. Okay. And find out what value you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, Moz. Here, Moz, did you solve the previous questions? Yeah, Moz, did you solve the previous questions or not?
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, sir. Me too.
You got the answers.
Yes, sir.
So should we send or we just say?
You can send it. Okay. Just send it on the group. Okay. No need to write, no need to type now. Simply a photo click करें, quickly send it.
Sir, done. Send it.
That is correct. Good.
Sir, I've also sent you.
Both of you, well done. Yeah, what about your Moz? You there in the class? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Moz, if I'm
Yes,
audible
sir.
to you, if I'm audible to you, please do
Yes.
respond. You were able to solve these
Yes,
three
sir.
questions?
No, sir. My network connection was unstable.
Okay, no issue. It happens sometimes. ठीक है. You were able to solve these three questions or not?
Yes, sir. First, I was able to solve. After the second one, I was disconnected, sir.
Okay, do one thing ना, take the screenshot of these questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
आप screenshot ले लें and have a look at them. Okay. And do let me know if you understood the solution or not. ठीक है? हाँ, done.
Yes.
Okay. Now we were solving this question. So question क्या है? You have to find its value. So you know that the base is same, so thereby it will be subtracted. The exponents would be subtracted. That would be 2 raised to the exponent of 5 minus 8.
Minus
अब
3.
ये exactly 2 raised to the exponent minus 3 into 2 raised to the power exponent minus 7. Right now. So thereby it will be, again the bases are same. So you could be adding them. No.
Sir.
So that would be 2
Yes,
raised to
sir.
the exponent minus 10. Clear? Take the screenshot of this one also. If anyone wants to take the screenshot, please take the screenshot. Right? Now we would try to find the multiplicative inverse of the given numbers which I'm going to give. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the multiplicative inverse, meaning 2 upon 5
Change the size.
multiplied 5 upon
Reciprocal.
2. Exactly, reciprocal. That should be giving you 1. So I have got any rational number, any whole number, any integer. So I, if I were to multiply that number with its reciprocal, I get the resultant value as 1. So ये एक
Yes,
दूसरे के reciprocals हैं और multiplicative inverse हैं एक दूसरे के, right?
yes, sir.
So same thing you have to do here as well. You need to find the multiplicative inverse. Similarly, just like multiplicative inverse, हमारे पास additive inverse भी होता है,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Hope
Yes,
everyone
sir.
remembers those basic things. So 2 raised to the exponent minus 4. I will be assigning this one. ये मैं assign कर रहा हूँ, okay?
Okay, sir.
And D, take it to be 10 raised to the exponent minus 100. Only 3 of you are here in the class, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just take 3 questions then. ठीक है. First one I'm erasing, okay? Yes, Arham, you solve this one. Second, Moaz, you solve this one. And the last one, Arhan.
So, 1 upon 10 raised to the power 100.
1 upon raised to the,
Power 100.
you're solving question number D, right?
Yes, sir.
So what value you are getting? The resultant value should be what?
So,
Keep in mind, you have to find the multiplicative inverse. In numbers को हमें किस number के साथ multiply करना चाहिए so that we get the resultant value as 1.
so,
Arham, will you
one,
please repeat your answer?
so 1 upon 10 to the power 100 and 10 upon 1.
No. No, I don't think so. Look,
Sir, in my question, is it 5 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 5 equals to 1?
repeat that again. 5 upon
5 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 5 equals to 1.
equals to 1. Look here. First, differentiate. ये क्या है? 5 तो हमारा न्यूमरेटर नहीं है ना, यहाँ पे अपने न्यूमरेटर लिखा है. This is the
Yes, sir.
exponent now.
Yeah.
So 10 raised to the exponent minus 5, it would be 1 upon 10 raised to the power 5 now.
Oh,
Huh?
yes, sir.
So this converts into this. Now I need to multiply it with such a number that I get 1. So if I were to multiply it with 10 raised to the exponent 5, so both cancels and 1 is the remaining value.
Sir, I
Right
said
now?
that.
You said the
I
same
s-
thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I might not have heard it properly. Okay, if you said the same thing, so what is the answer for this one then, Arhan?
So 1 upon 10 raised to the power 100 into 10 upon 10 raised to the power 100 upon 1.
Simply answer हम कहेंगे 10 raised to the power 100 होगा, right now. So since the second one I have already solved, so Arham, you take one more question. Question number
Yes,
A, let's take 7 raised to the exponent minus 2. Yeah, Moss, what about you? Done?
Yes, sir. I got 1 by 1 by 125.
1 by, देखिए ये तो इसकी वैल्यू हो गई ना. जब इसे आप सॉल्व
Yes, sir.
करेंगे, it will be 1 upon 5 raised to the exponent 3. That will be 1 upon 125, right? क्वेश्चन है
Yes, sir.
हमारा कि हमें इसे किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए सो दैट वी फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. तो इसे मैं 125 से वापस मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा ना, राइट? सो 125 is same as 5 raised to the power 3.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is 5 raised to the exponent 3. Okay now. Arhan, you solve this question. 2 raised to the exponent minus 4 will be. Yeah. What is your answer, Arham?
1 upon 7 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2 upon 1 equals to 1.
So in this answer is what? Answer क्या है हमारा?
1, sir.
That's 1. Look,
Yes, sir.
हमें मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है. हमें
So
वहां पे
7
2 नहीं
upon
कर
2.
7 upon
So 7 raised to the power 2.
exactly 7 days to the power 2 ना guys. Look, यहाँ पर जो हमने एग्जांपल लिया था 2 upon 5 into 5 upon 2, didn't I say कि these two numbers are multiplicative inverse of each other,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now, similarly, take this one as well. 7 raised to the exponent minus 2. If I can write it like this: 1 upon 7 raised to the power 2. So it has to be multiplied with 7 raised to the power 2 in order to get 1, क्योंकि ये दोनों
Yes, sir.
cancel होंगे आपस में, right? So that is the thing you guys have to do.
Sir,
Okay.
that's what I said.
You said the same thing, but in the question answer is this. This is the answer. 7 raised to the
Oh,
power 2.
So my
Okay.
answer is 2 raised to the power 4.
2 raised to the power 4. Getting it done. So it is as simple as that. Hope it is clear to everyone now.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Moz, it's clear to you also, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do some more questions. Mm, let's take this question now. Let's simplify and write in exponential form. First one, let's take this one. Minus 2 raised to the exponent minus 3 multiplied minus 2 raised to the exponent minus 4. This one. Second, take this one. P raised to the exponent 3 times p raised to the exponent minus 10. Take one more question. 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied 3 raised to the power 6. ये तीन क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, you all want to solve this question, so shall I assign? एक काम करें, सभी ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें. ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, everyone solve these three questions.
So
Answer has to be sent in the group. Okay. Okay ना? So
Yes,
in the single sheet of paper, make sure कि तीनों क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करेंगे and send all of them together, not one by one. Okay.
yes, sir.
Simply send the pic. Okay.
sir, I can't click the pic because my camera is broken.
Okay. Okay. No issue. Then you can write the answers. You guys use your parents' phone, or you guys are having your own phones?
Sir, I have my own phone.
Okay.
It's a personal phone.
Okay. You guys shouldn't be given personal phone at this age.
Sir, I have my
Eh,
mom's old phone.
Okay. Okay. Anyways. By now, I suppose all of the questions should be done. Questions are
Yes,
quite
sir.
simple. After you guys would be done with this question, there are some individual questions. Arham will be solving this question. Take multiply 2 raised to the power 2. Okay. Arhan, you would be solving this question. 2 raised to the power minus 1 and divide by 2 raised to
Then
the exponent minus 2.
I
They are
sent
done.
the solution.
Okay, good.
All of them.
Very good. I will be checking that in a moment. And Moz, you take this question. 1 upon 2 raised to the exponent minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the exponent minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to the exponent minus 4. Okay. I have written a few more questions here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take it to be minus 2. Okay. Let me have a look at your solution. Look, Arhan, in the first one, you have done a slight mistake. In the first one, you have done a slight mistake. Look at the sign of the base. It's a negative number. -2, no? Right now. You have written +2. Okay. Yeah, Arham, let me check yours also. And the first one is correct. Second one, that is... Yeah, all of them are correct. Very good. Now, I have assigned the individual questions here. Arham, Arhan, was. Start solving them as well. Okay, yeah, Moz, having any difficulty, please do let me know. Okay.
Sir, what do you have to find? In
You have to
exponential
simplify करना है हमें.
Okay, sir. Say simplify.
हाँ, if nothing is written, it means कि आपको simplify करना है यहाँ पर.
Okay, sir.
The first one, look यहाँ पर जो है आपने ये गलती की थी कि आपने -2 को मिस कर दिया. So it would be -2 raised to the exponent -7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got your answer.
Yes,
Yeah. So Arhan, what value are you getting?
sir. 2.
2. Okay. 2. What about you, Arham?
Yeah, I've sent you.
3 raised to the exponent this, and you are getting the value as -12. Look here. Starting from Arham. Okay. Let's start from Arhan first. क्योंकि Arhan ने पहले question solution भेजा. Okay. Look here. It would be 1/2. Okay. Times 1/4 होगा ये. और 1/4 होगा divided 2 raised to the exponent -2, or we can write it as 1/2 raised to the power.
Simply write it as 4.
Yes. We have simply written it as 4. 1/2, 1/4. And it would be division में है ये, it would be 1/2 raised to the नहीं, हम एक काम करते हैं ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले आते हैं इसे, राइट ना, या फिर लेट्स keep it in division so that you guys don't get confused. 1/2 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now it would be 1/8.
Yes, sir.
राइट ना. अब ये डिवीजन में क्या मैं इसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अगर मैं चेंज करता हूँ, क्या मैं इस फॉर्मेट में लिख सकता हूँ इसे?
So we would take reciprocal.
फर्स्ट टेल में, या
So we would take reciprocal.
वी नोट द,
So we would take reciprocal.
हाँ, वी वुड बी टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकल. यस, एग्जैक्टली. जब हम डिवीजन करते हैं, सो द ऑर्डर रिवर्सेस ना, राइट
Yes.
ना, एज यू रिमेम्बर. सो ये हमने सिंपली क्या लिखा है, हमने रेसिप्रोकल लिखा है ना, क्योंकि दिस वैल्यू विल बी व्हाट, दिस वैल्यू कैन बी रिटन एज 4 ना, ये 4 बन जाएगा ना, दिस होल वैल्यू विल बिकम 4, राइट. So it is 1/8 into 2 raised to the power 2.
4.
Getting it or not? So it is 4/8. So thereby 1/2 होगा ना ये. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to your question, Arham, आपने एक slight mistake किया यहाँ पे. Look here. This 4 raised to the exponent -1 will be written as 1/4. ठीक है? And ये 1 होगा. Right now.
Should we
Remember, I did told you about this property. A raised to the exponent -1 means 1/a raised to the exponent 1 होता है.
Sir,
Remember that?
Found it 2 upon minus 1 as minus 2. That's why I got 2.
ओके ओके, ये बेहतर होता है ना कि इफ योर कैमरा वुड हैव बीन वर्किंग जस्ट सेंड द पिक्चर, सो वहां से मैं मेथोडोलॉजी भी आपकी देख लेता हूँ कि हाउ यू आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली, ओके ना। सो एग्जैक्ट कहाँ पर आप प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आई गेट टू नो दैट। सो दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी 1 + 1 अपॉन 4 होगा ये। सो नाउ हियर यू कैन सिंपली सॉल्व इट, बी 5 अपॉन 4 इंटू 4 होगा ये,
Yes, sir.
thereby the answer would be 5.
Yes.
Moz isn't back in the class.
No, sir.
Okay, so third question भी हम solve करते हैं, both of you attempt this question,
Yes.
both of you. Also the question which you sent to me, Arham, regarding the frequency of the sound, look,
Yes, sir.
we could find the frequency using the simple formula, number of oscillations upon the given time period, right, given time taken, right, whatever time is being taken. But अगर स्कूल में टीचर ने आपको कहा कि पहले आप टाइम पीरियड फाउंड करेंगे फिर उसका इनवर्स आप निकालेंगे, then you will find the frequency. So if
Yes,
the teacher has told you to stick to that method, only then he will be giving you marks. So then you will have to stick to that method. But there's
yes, sir.
absolutely no need to find the time period first and then find the frequency.
Sir, I got the answer.
What value you are getting for this one?
Sir, 29.
29. Okay. What
Sir,
about you,
which one
Arham?
do you have to do?
Third one. Since Moz isn't in the class, I
Oh,
told both of you to solve this one.
okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. Also make sure you take the screenshot of the questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
और अगर आपने कॉपी में लिख लिया, it's anyways फिर जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Similar questions I would be giving as part of assignment also. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, Arhan, you can solve this question. 25 into 10 raised to the exponent minus 4, and take 5 raised to the exponent minus 3 into 10 into 10 raised to the exponent minus 8.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So try to solve it before the class ends. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Also,
Reciprocal.
yeah, look here, one thing here, if you have a number like this, a square है upon a raised to the exponent minus 3 है, so you can write it like this, a square, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा, into a raised to the exponent 3 होगा,
So
यहाँ पर हमने रेसिप्रोकल लिखा है. Yeah,
it would be divided. So it would be minus.
नहीं बात वो नहीं है यहाँ पे. Look here, it would be divided, that is correct here. यहाँ पर लेकिन आप देखेंगे कि you can see it in this manner also. अगर आपने जो division किया है, so there also you'd be getting what, 2 minus minus 3 will be a raised to the exponent 2 plus 3, that is 5 होगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इस manner में भी a raised to the exponent 5 होगा, right now. हाँ, you got the answer for this one, Arham?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is
13 upon 12 raised to the power minus 2.
13 upon 12 is minus 2. You should be getting 29, I think. You should be getting 29. Okay, do one thing, check the answer for this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and sit for 5 more minutes. Okay, I mean not in the class के बाद 5 मिनट वक्त निकाल कर आप ये क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करें. Okay,
I got
both
that.
of you, you got the answer. What value you are getting for this one?
So 5 raised to the power 5. Sorry, sir. 5 raised to the power 5 into t raised to the power 4 and divided by 2 raised to the power 10. 2 into 10.
2 into 10.
Yes, sir.
I think this is right mistake. एक बार आप फिर से सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay,
So 2 into 5.
2 into 5. No, it should be only 2. सिर्फ 2 आना चाहिए denominator में. Okay. Anyways, I would be giving few more questions like this. Okay. So that you guys get to practice.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so we will be leaving here and then continue from next class. Okay, now.